If you're struggling to retain top talent, offering another basic 401k won't change anything. Let's be honest, most employees don't even understand how their 401k works, and when the market drops, their confidence does too. You want loyalty? Offer them something they've never seen before, a gold-backed retirement benefit. At SRG, we help business owners and HR leaders create custom 401k alternatives with optional employer matches in physical gold, not paper, not ETFs, real bullion. Even a 10% gold match builds emotional and financial buy-in. It shows employees they're valued and their future is protected. We call it the golden handcuff, not because it traps people, but because it makes walking away almost impossible. If you want to retain, reward, and inspire the best team in your industry, book your private build-out session at srgwealth.com. Retire your team with value, reward them with gold, retain them for life.